Hey guys, these are the notes for 8.8a. We're going to write one variable equations or inequalities with variables on both sides that represent problems using rational numbers. When I drop the notes into the Canvas, you can save it to your Google Drive or however you want to keep these notes. Or you can write them out, it's your choice. So since we're going to do equations, we have equations or inequalities, okay? And just as a recap, you learned that this is the less than sign. You learned this is the greater than sign. We have less than or equal to, and then we have greater than or equal, okay? Now, our first thing is we're just going to write equations or write inequalities. We're not going to solve them yet. So we need to know how to write this. And we started doing this in the last unit when they were talking about like 4 more a number and stuff like that. So this is an extension of that. So they're telling us the sum of 5 times. So as I read this, I'm just going to write the numbers down. So they're telling us 5 times a number and 25. So that would mean plus 25 is more than, so that's greater than, that number, which is x, increased by 12. Okay, so that's how you would write that. They're probably not going to have you write it like that. They're going to have you choose from something like the one below. So let's see which one this is. They said Debbie sells yard art at the local craft show. Each item sells for $25. It costs her $9 to make each item, and it's $20 for her booth fee. Which inequality shows how many items she needs to sell in order to make a profit? So since she sells them for $25 each, that is where our 25x would go, because we don't know how many she's going to sell. And we want her profit to be more than her cost. And her cost is $9 each. So that's 9x. Plus, she has a one-time booth fee of $20. So this is how we would want to know if she has a profit or not, if this side is higher than the other side. So let's see which one looks like that. Okay, it looks like G is our answer. Okay, let me move this up. Oh, hold on. Okay, and now we have 2 more to do. So we wrote the equation, we did this one, and now the next one. It says 4 less. So as I read this, I'm going to write out what I see. 4 less would be minus 4. Then 6 times a number, so that's 6x, is the same as, okay, so if it's the same as, that would be equal, as the same as 8 times the number. Increased by 12. So now we have our equation. We have 6x minus 4 equals 8x plus 12. And finally, for the last one, it says the economy repair shop charges a $50 fee. So that's plus 50, plus $30 an hour. So that's where our x goes. So we know we're going to have 30x plus 50 an hour for labor. Jeff's repair shop charges $35 an hour. which inequality can be used to determine the number of hours of labor that would make the economy repair shop charges less than, so that was our first one. So I'm going to put less than Jeff's repair shop charges. So that would be less than 35x. That's how you would write that out. Like I said, we have been doing this when we were writing equations in Unit 5, and then also an extension of the proportional, non-proportional section in Unit 7. Anyway, that's what 8.8a is. I'm going to do some examples on the next video. Thank you for watching.